Myself, Lakshmipati, founder and CEO of Venkat Switchgears. Venkat Switchgears is a 23-year-old firm involved in manufacturing of HT and LT panel boards, switchgears and electrical transformers. Conceptia technical support and training is excellent and meets the trends and requirements for manufacturing quality products. We started using SOLIDWORKS software since 2011 with one license, but today we are proud that we have 6 licenses with electrical also. SOLIDWORKS with 3D design caters our requirements and furnishes a rework-free design which is directly exported to a CAD and converts to CAP. I feel this software does not have limited source of applications and has a lot of features. Develop the products from scratch level to finish, reducing the cost of labor. If designed with dedication, leads to creativity. Thank you. I wish all the best to Conceptia and the SOL systems.